Alright, doing a 2016 Toyota 4runner rear differential service, drain and fill. Pretty darn easy for you. 24 millimeter socket, or I'm also using maybe what is a 1-incher. So 24 millimeter, 1 inch, either one will work for you. Get the plugs out. Took that one out to fill already. Here's the drain, and drain it into a container. So here we go. Then we'll put the plug in here and tighten it up, and then we'll fill this up with some synthetic fluid right to the bottom edge of the hole. Usually fill it till it starts running out, and then let it run out to a drip and call it a day. So just finish letting this drip, and we'll put the bolts in. Tighten those to about 36 foot-pounds. And you can get bottles like this. The fluid you want is 75W85 gear lube, GL5 fluid. We're going to put a full synthetic fluid in here, so we're just going to pump it in until it comes out.